opportunity, the first mistake and the first goal. And it came to absolutely nothing. And it's scored by Mediterranean. Clearances by Szczesny. It's another chance here, the deflection, which took it wide. It was well struck by Sergio. It's in towards Delict at the far post, who was jumping. There's the first opportunity, which is superbly saved by maju². It's a wonderful reflex save for the second leg in Turin. That's the first run of the second half for Menaklukan. It's the first chance for... Oh, they've scored another early one! Lightning strikes twice. Musa time. Well, they scored inside a minute in the first half, and they've got one even quicker. Off goes Chiesa. Here's Kulusevski. The goalkeeper came out, and the deflection off the... Still going. He'll take a shot, and it's saved by Szczesny. Well, they just allowed him to carry it and carry it. Here comes Porto. Teremi. And then Szczesny just able to tip it over the bar. It was a good play again by Sergio Oliveira, who went with him all the way. There's the chance. It was a shot that went in from Chiesa. Off goes Adrian Rabiot. In goes cross. It's Chiesa. Oh, it's a vital goal. It's a really important goal for Juventus, and it's been scored by Chiesa after Rabiot made a really good play. Juventus now with their tails up. Morata is. He's in. It's saved. And then Ronaldo with an opportunity. Last chance here for Juventus. Delict sends it on. Ronaldo takes it down. Referee says no penalty. Ronaldo convinced. Whistle.